Windows 11 has a lot of features, but with Microsoft PowerToys, you can take your productivity to the next level. PowerToys is a free utility from Microsoft that gives you powerful tools like FancyZones to snap and organize windows and custom layouts, a color picker to instantly copy any color from your screen, and PowerRename to rename multiple files at once. There's also a text extractor tool that lets you copy text from anywhere, even images, just like magic. To get started, simply download PowerToys from Microsoft's official site and install it. Once installed, open the PowerToys settings panel and explore these amazing utilities. These tools are perfect for office work, students, and anyone who wants to save time and work smarter. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for more productivity hacks.